Hello everyone, my name is Karen Drake. This is my assignment 5, revisions and rationale. The goals and objectives. The goals: students will work together with classmates to make sense of a problem and persevere in solving it together. Objectives is to work together to predict how many times a fidget spinner will turn and making sure everyone is included. Do the tasks yield appropriate evidence of the identified understanding? Yes, the tasks yield appropriate evidence of the identified understanding. By working together, I will be able to see the understandings of the task by the students. They will stay on task. If they're working together and if everyone is participating. Do the tasks involve a complex real-world application of the identified knowledge, skill, or understanding? Yes, the tasks involve a complex real-world application of identified knowledge, skill, and understanding. By having students work together, it can enhance students' impressions and increase student engagement in the learning process. This will help students in the future to work with one another, and that is a skill that is needed in the real world. Are there a variety of appropriate assessments formats used to provide additional evidence of learning? Yes, there is a variety of appropriate assessments used to provide additional evidence of learning. With the writing assignment, I want students to do this together so that I can have students engaged in a positive, safe, legal, and ethical behavior when using technology, including interactions online or when using networking devices. Are students given the opportunity to self-assess and reflect upon their learning performance? Yes, the students will have the opportunity to self-assess and reflect on their learning. I want to have a group discussion after the students have some time to think about how the group activity went. And this is where I can decide if I need to change parts of the lesson before the next lesson or later in the next lesson later in the week. Thank you for everyone.